Hello everyone, welcome back to Inkscape tutorial, and now I'm going to explain to you about the tools in Inkscape. So here this is called the toolbar, right? And I'm going to introduce you the first one. This is called the selection tool, and its function is to select objects. So you have to click on the tool if you want to use it, and then you can select the object you want to select, and you can move it around by using this tool. And the next one is the zoom tool, the one that looks like a magnifier, this one. Click on it, and here you can see two magnifiers, one with a plus sign inside it and the other one with minus sign inside it. So the one with plus sign inside it, this is called the zoom in, and you can use it to make your page looks larger, like this. And the next one, the one with the minus sign, this is called the zoom out, and you can use it to make your page become smaller. And around the page here, you have the scroll bar that you can use to scroll up and down, and also this one to scroll left and right. And the next one is the rectangle tool, the 3D box tool, the circle tool, the stars and polygon tool, and also the spiral tool. It is very similar. Like the rectangle tool, you can use it to draw a rectangle like this. And also the 3D box, you can use it to draw a 3D box, circle. And for the polygon and star tool, you can select here in the edit bar whether you want to draw a polygon or a star. And you can also adjust the number of the corners. For example, let's draw a star. And you can adjust the number of corners here, like 10. And you can draw another one. And the next one is the spiral tool. You can use it to draw spirals, like this. When you are drawing the rectangle and the circle, if you want to make it a perfect square or a perfect circle, you can press Ctrl while you are drawing the shape. And you will get a perfect circle like this. And also the rectangle, you can draw a square like this. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial. See you on the next tutorial.